Hi friends, if you want to make a wonderful e-commerce website, this video is exactly for you. In this video, I am with another great WordPress theme called Revo, and Revo is a multi-purpose WooCommerce theme for e-commerce on WordPress. And as you know, so each and every theme is well tested and selected for you on WP Themes channel and the connected WP Themes website, so you need not think again about the selection of theme. This is going to be a great WordPress WooCommerce theme if you are in plan for making a e-commerce website. And yes, it has modern look, all the features, all the facility, and of course it has multiple pre-made websites available with it. So this is being the greatest feature of Revo WordPress theme, that it comes with mobile 5+ mobile layout ready. And if you are having an e-commerce portal and it does not works on mobile phone very well, it is not going to bring the required and desired number of sales, that is you are not going to get results. So this is being the advantage of Revo WordPress theme, that you are going to get pre-made mobile layouts. That is in fact everything is responsive, but they are not I'm not sure, so all themes are not made exactly separately for mobile, and only responsive part helps you in offering your website on mobile phones as well. So okay, so let us talk more about the Revo multi-purpose WooCommerce theme. So it is Revo #1 multi-purpose WooCommerce WordPress theme, and it has 25 unique home pages designed with it, and it has been distributed in categories like hot designs, multi-purpose, marketplace, fashion shop, high-tech store, and furniture store, gift store, and other designs. So we have already seen some of the demos summarily, and I am going to add link of all these information, I mean the demo and where you can get this theme and where we can get connected, everything in a single link given in the description of this video. So in this video we are going to install Revo multi-purpose WooCommerce WordPress theme, and we will also import a demo content. We will make a complete website using demo content, any of these designs, and we will also see the theme options, customizations options, and everything. So this video is really going to be important if you are actually looking for a very good theme, because you never know what features you are going to get when you decide or you start using any theme. And before taking your decision, you must know what features are coming on your website, be it a developer or be being the owner of your firm. So everything is for you, and we are going to start the installation of Revo WordPress theme. And meanwhile I'll in between I'll also show you the different features of Revo theme, what is available during the installation process. Let us begin the installation without any further delay. I have a fresh installation of WordPress. The 2021 default WordPress theme has been installed in it, and it is running on the latest version of WordPress, that is WordPress 5.8. So if we talk about the compatibility of Revo multi-purpose Elementor WooCommerce WordPress theme, so it is again an important line. So let us talk something more about the Revo. It is multi-purpose Elementor WooCommerce theme. So mostly people are looking for Elementor WooCommerce WordPress theme. This is one of the greatest WordPress theme made on Elementor, and yes, it had 25 home pages and 5+ mobile layouts, and theme has been developed by Mazen Tech, and they are Power Elite authors. So this is being a reason that this theme has been selected to be on this channel. And This theme was actually made in 2016, and the regular updates for this theme is also being done. So you can say this updated and advanced version of this Revo WordPress theme has full compatibility with WordPress, Elementor and WooCommerce. So it is very important technical aspect that it should be compatible, your theme should be compatible with all the latest trend of technology. So it has all these features as well. So we have tested all this theme in all parameters at our own level. So it is good to choose this theme for your e-commerce activities if your category or segment is matching with any of the available demos. So it can be very good. And yes, it has a marketplace, so it can be, this theme can be used for multi-vendor e-commerce store as well. Okay, so let us begin. So this is being the core installation of WordPress, and I got the theme pack. In the theme pack I have the code, that is it has the media and manual export file is here, and the Revo child theme file and the main theme file is here, and again licensing is here, and some PhD has been given, and user guide has been supplied in the theme pack itself. And we shall be using this SW Revo underscore theme. This is being the main theme file which is installable, and we are going to use this theme in our installation. So for installation we have to go in the appearance section of WordPress and click on themes, click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here we need to choose SW underscore Revo underscore theme version 4.0.7.zip file. It is laying under the code folder. So remember, you have to select the correct theme file, that is installable theme file, and many people are making this mistake, so you should not make this mistake. Don't choose the incorrect theme file. This is the correct theme file which need to be uploaded. And yes, if you are having direct access on your server, you can upload the same directly to WP content themes folder. I am doing the same. I wish to show you the theme file size in fact, and both the activities of uploading the theme are same, so don't get confused. So you have to choose only one. Either you can upload using this WordPress interface, or you can directly upload to your hosting if you are having direct access on your server, or you can upload it through file manager as well. There is another video available on this channel which shows you how you can access the files of WordPress without having access on your cPanel. Okay, so now theme has been uploaded directly to the hosting, and once the progress bar turns green with 100%, we can go back and extract the uploaded file. And the theme file size was 27 MB. It is bit high, but yes, it has multiple features like multi-vendor and all such things, so it is size is moderate, it is not a problem. And the extraction outcome is this Revo folder, in which we got all the theme components. Folders and files are here, so all theme components are here extracted. And now we can delete this zip one. We have already extracted it, and it is just consuming the server space. And now Revo is here, and now we are fine to go in the theme section of WordPress again. And yes, we have Revo as another theme option along with the default theme. Let us check the details. This is Revo version 4.0.7. SW Revo is modern, clean and professional WooCommerce WordPress theme. It is built to well suit for any online store, electronic store, fashion store, jewelry store, etc. Okay, fine. So we can activate it. And upon activation, we got an alert that we need to install certain plugins in order to use this theme in a proper manner. So let us go to the plugin installation screen and check what plugins are required. Okay, so mostly plugins are required and some are recommended as well. and these are the list of 17 plugins. In fact, it is a big number. Generally I have seen the number of plugins should be around 10. And okay, so let us check. So WooCommerce is here, and WooCommerce associates are making the number count bigger, and these are 3 associates of WooCommerce in fact, and WooCommerce is already here, and this is the 4th one of WooCommerce related plugin, and again 5th, 6th. So majorly WooCommerce plugins are here, and Revolution Slider is being used. Elementor is of course here. Elementor Pro has been given with an external source, and rest of plugins like SW Core is important plugin. So I am choosing to install all the 17 plugins in one go, and I will advise to install all the 17 plugins at the initial level. If just in case if you are not going to use any of these plugins, you can deactivate and delete that plugin on later stage, but initially you need to install all these plugins so that we may use the complete feature of the themes and plugins. Okay, so I am installing all plugins in one go, and if you are not confident about your server capacity, just install the plugin one by one to avoid any error during the installation of plugin. And again, if you are ordering the Revo WordPress theme at WP Themes website by following the link given in the description, you shall be getting the same capacity server. As you can see, the all 17 plugins got installed in just few seconds. This is the beauty of hosting. So if you are willing to have this hosting along with the pre-installed theme, you can order by following the link given in the description of this video. That is going to be a very convenient way for starting your websites, and it cost very nominal. So choice is yours, and all the plugins has been installed. And now we can go back to the plugin installer screen, and now it is time to activate all the installed plugins, and that also can be done in a single click. Select all and just activate all the installed plugins. Okay, wonderful. So we have installed all the plugins. Simply click on dashboard, whether WooCommerce may need certain more information, so we have to check that by clicking on dashboard. Okay, so it is redirecting for more information on WooCommerce. So okay, so I'm just putting demo lines, and you have to fill the applicable information for you. I'm just putting the sample text. And you need to complete this step because it is a necessary step. Okay, so it is and here we need to install we need to check continue with my active theme. This is Revo, this is important screen, and you have to choose this. And now WooCommerce has been successfully installed properly. Now some plugins has been installed along with WooCommerce. I will certainly deactivate those plugins because those plugins will definitely clutter the installation only, nothing else. And just not willing to install those plugins which came additionally with the WooCommerce. I'm just going to delete those plugins, like I'll show you. So you can use Jetpack, it is a good plugin of course, but here I am disconnecting and deactivating this for the time being. I don't need Elementor Pro, and MailChimp for WooCommerce is not a part of this theme. And you can use MailChimp for WordPress if you need this. MailPoet is also not required. And MailChimp for WordPress. Okay, so we have successfully installed the WooCommerce and all necessary plugins. For this theme, and it is saying that recommended MailChimp for WordPress. Okay, so we will install this just to showcase. However, it is actually not required at this stage. And Elementor Pro activate license, so it is not quite here. Okay, so we have installed all the plugins, and let us take another look of plugin screen. All plugins should be active, installed and active, all necessary plugins before we go for so all plugins are here and all are active. It is fine. And now we are fine to take a look of our website, how it looks with the theme and plugin set itself. Okay, so this is the basic look of Revo, and yes, it is without any demo content. This is the core look of website, and at this stage you shall be getting all the features of this theme and associated plugins. And if you are in plan for making your website design at your own, I mean you are having your own wireframe and you want to design your website at your own, you can start building scratch from here. You will certainly get all the features of theme and plugins. Only you just need to design your website. But yes, WordPress is known for pre-made website, and mostly people using the pre-made websites. So these are being in fact our target website, so we can choose any of these website for our upcoming website. It depends upon your choice and requirement, and we have multiple choice with the Revo WordPress theme, of course. So at this stage we have to go for demo content import, so that we may have a complete website like any of these. And yes, it is really working very good. Speed is awesome, as we can see. So this is the beauty of a well optimized WordPress theme, and this is a clear indication. Speed is a clear indication of quality of code that has been used. Okay, so now we have this core design, and we can now move for importing the demo content for any of these target websites. So okay, so we have to find the demo content importer, and I believe it is laying under the appearance section. Yes, it is here. Import demo data. Simply click on import demo data. I'll show you all theme options and customization options once we complete the installation of website along with the demo content. Okay, so one click demo import screen is here, and we have all choices here, and multi-category store and all 25 pre-made websites is available here. You can choose any as per your requirement and choice. All are available, sorry. So it is very simple to choose your desired target. And so import all content and import button is available here. So I am considering this first one as the default one and I am importing the first. You can choose any for as per your choice. So simply I am selecting import all content and clicking on import. Yes, import, and the import process has begun, and this process may take few minutes because it is going to import all the media files, all necessary files from the developer server itself. So it may take up to 5-10 minutes as I assume, depending on your internet speed and the size of data it is actually going to download from the developer server. So your due patience is required at this screen. It is really very important step if you are willing to have a demo website. And don't refresh this page, don't hit back button. Yes, you can use the another tabs if you want to explore more about this theme, and let the import process to be completed fully. And this is working very fine. So it is presenting a very professional look e-commerce website, of course. So using Revo you are going to get a very full e-commerce website, of course. And okay, let us wait until the process gets complete. And I am just checking the number of media files coming in the demo import process. As of now we have got 244 media items. So it is great that all the media files is being supplied in the demo content, but of course it is going to take time in importing the demo data because it is a big number of media files, and in fact media files take times in downloading. So we have to be here, and still it is going on. And this is a method of checking, you can say. So just open the media files in another tab, and you can keep refreshing this page after 1 or 2 minutes, every 1 or 2 minutes, to check whether the import process is working. Yes, now it is 336, so it is big number, of course. So still it is going on, and we need to wait until it gets complete. And now number of media files is 528. It is really amazing for me that it is downloading, still downloading more media files. And so 528 media files is already in our installation, so it is also taking the server space. So what I will recommend, delete all these media files, at least delete those media files which you are not going to use on your website, because it is just consuming the server space, and media files consumes big amount of server space, of course. So be careful, don't keep these media files. These are the big number of files in fact, and just delete by selecting those media files which you are not using at your website. Don't clutter your installation, this is not advised. However, it should be taken care by developer itself, that to supply only those media files which is being imported for demo content, for which it is important, but it may be difficulty for the developers. This is why they are supplying all the media files at least, and still it is importing, and we have to wait. We don't have another choice here. And finally we reach on this screen. All that's it, all done. The demo import has finished. Please check your page and make sure that everything has imported correctly. And I must wish to check the number of media files, and it is 658 media items, so it is really big number. So now it is time to take another look of our website. This was the look of website when there was no demo content, and I'm just refreshing this page, and let us see what is loading good on the screen. And yes, the complete website, demo website is here, and it is really wonderful that we got all the content without any trouble, without any obstacle, without any tension. We got a wonderful website, and it is really working fast, and you can see the speed of website without any cache plugin. It is working really very fast, and this is the beauty. And let us see the NEQE, the Ajax search. It is Paro. Okay, so it is really good. Ajax search is also working very fine. This is very important. This is why I tested it. And rest pages of course will work fine, no doubt. And this is being the contact us page. It is wonderfully created. And about us page. Okay, great. So it goes without saying that it is a wonderful e-commerce portal now we have, and all pages are also working very fine, so it is good. And we got a trouble-free e-commerce portal here. And now it is time to show you the rest of features what we got in this installation, in the WordPress installation. So portfolio is new, and our team is also new. Testimonials is new. Comments and rest of things are as common as in WordPress. Theme options I will show you, and nothing additional is here. Catalog, contact. So Instagram feed is also here. So I'll show you everything. This is being the portfolio, and you can handle the portfolio from this screen. This is one of the portfolio. Okay, so you can create such portfolio of items using the portfolio section. And team is not being used, so it is useless. And testimonials are also being used, so you can use of course. And contact list table is also not being used, so nothing else is here. And we can jump directly to the theme options. That is very important. And import demo data we have already used, and I'll show you the theme options. That is the theme panel, and that is the theme control panel. Okay, so this is the general setting: logo, image, favicon, and select taxonomy, and rest of major settings can be done from the general setting. Schemes, so this is the color schemes, and enable custom color, developer mode color, and all color controls has been given in the scheme. Layout, box images, left sidebar expand, and all such things can be controlled from the layout. Mobile layout is another control available in the theme control panel. So footer mobile style, layout content, sticky mobiles, logo mobile my icon page, and header footer control has been given separately. So copyright text, copyright style, etc. Navbar options is another setting. Blog options, product options, so product options, category config, and style load, Ajax, click, and all such things are here. So this is also a broad setting. Product options, so there are multiple settings available here for you. Okay, and the typography and the social pop-up config, advanced, social share and all, maintenance mode again, and import and advanced plugins. Okay, so these are the settings in the Revo panel, and these are the enough settings to handle your website. And finally, I'm going to show you how to edit the content of page. Let us say we are going to edit the content of home page itself. So what I'll recommend you to take a backup of at least for home page when you are going to edit, if you are not confident on the Elementor, and just take a backup so that just in case you made any mistake you can restore that page, and simply open the page which you want to edit and click on edit with Elementor. So this theme has both options of editor, WP Bakery Page Builder and Elementor. So you need to deactivate any one of the page builder in fact. So I will recommend to use Elementor, but it is up to you. Both the page builder has no comparison and both works very fine, so it is totally your choice. And don't think so Elementor works fast and WP Bakery is slow and something like that. So both works very fine and both are equally accepted throughout the world. So okay, so you can deactivate the page builder just in case if you are using Elementor. So both has been installed by default. Okay, so now I'm coming back so to the home page, edit with Elementor, and Elementor loader, Elementor editor is loading up now. So this theme also supports the multi-vendor, so you can use Dokken or MWC multi-vendor plugin like things if you are willing to use multi-vendor. Okay, so editing with Elementor is always simple. Just click on the area and in the left navbar it will be available for edit, and you can simply change the images and text wherever required, and it is so simple, even a non-technical person can do this. So just be sure use the same length content, text content, or same length same dimension of images as given in the demo to maintain the integrity of website. However, in the e-commerce portal most of things are coming from the product listing itself, so you need not work much on these settings. So however, you can change of course as you need. And yes, I believe I have shown you each and everything about the Revo WordPress theme, and you are going to make a wonderful website using the Revo theme. If you are having any question regarding this theme, you can directly ask a question from me. We will definitely try to resolve your queries. Just follow the link given in the description of this video, and you can also write in the comment of this video and get the theme by following the link given in the description. This is only one link, and that will navigate you to the WP themes website. Get the theme there, and rest of information has been given on that particular page. Okay, make wonderful website using Revo and be in touch. Keep watching. I'm going to bring wonderful themes, utilities and plugins for you. Thank you.